pretty people, this is Varsha. Welcome to my channel. You are watching the beauty of English. So very good morning all of you. And as you all know, there I always talk about lots of English stuff. But now I really don't want to talk about any stuff and anything. But I want to share you something that thing is also related to you, because I know we all are facing this kind of problem in our life, in ourselves and in our circumstances. So what we have to do, we have to understand that all problem, and after that we need to find that solution, because without doing that it is not possible you become whatever you want. So let's get started, shall we? Because I want to share about my problem, but not now, before time, when my focus is not one place. That time I always roaming here and there. But what I know that time also and now also, like that time I have really such kind of desire to do. I don't know what I want to do that time, and but that time I have desire to do anything, like which thing I feel happy, which thing I feel great, I feel and I enjoyed that thing. Okay, but like that time my maturity is not like that, and like I can't understand that all things. But what had that time a lots of people, because I'm really frustrated about myself, and like I also have some mental issue. Not mental issue, I don't say this a mental issue, but like lots of fear, lots of self-esteem problem, and a lots of I hadn't courage that I really hadn't courage that time to do anything whatever I want. And that time I also don't know about my way. But yeah, inside of me I had one desire that time, like, Varsha, you have to do anything in your life, in my life. Like, I want to stand on my feet. I don't want to live life like other people live, like my mom live and my friends live and like my relatives, because I saw that all people, they only have food, and they have food, and if someone always scold them and they always demotivated them, and like in my relatives and my relation, this is a very huge problem. Every people don't know, like they only think get married and settle down, and this thing I listened when I was child and now also, but I overcome this thing. So really in this 2020, and yeah, when I started my journey while teaching my student, and in that time and now I realize it's very important to get to God desire, like whatever you want. It, like, we always think about our situations, our problems and our fears, and like always we think about what other people said if we do this thing. But after that I realized that thing, like, if you are not capable to do anything, so really nobody want like you achieve that thing. Nobody want like you stand off your feet, you earn money for yourself, and you do it anything whatever you want in your life. Like I want to say in Hindi also, वो चाहते हैं कि तुम हमेशा नीचे रहो. They don't want तुम कुछ अच्छा कर लो. But what we have to do, we really have to need to do it. And after that I realized, no, I have to do. So I joined fashion designing. But there I got lots of money problem and lots of problems I faced there. And I understood during that all process, I understand one thing. Varsha, you have to stand, you have to take action for yourself. No one gonna help you. If you are not capable to help yourself, really, no one gonna help you. You have to take action. You have to take action for yourself. You have to fight for yourself. And if you do it, so after that, they all people behind of you. But first you need to do. First you need to stand off your feet. So in lockdown, I tried to take some spoken classes. That time I'm so afraid about everything because I haven't money. But which money I collected doing my job, so I invest in my classes. And I learned English there lots, and sir really teach me a good way. And I also learned there like how to motivate people and how to motivate your own self. Like these circumstances and these obstacles always come with you. But what you have to do, first is stop, understand, and then step again. You fall down several times, but never give up. Stand and like do again. Push yourself. No, I have to do. Push yourself again and again. Whatever you want to do. I know the people they don't want, like they feel jealous. They feel other thing. They don't want you have to do anything. But you have to need to do everything. And only I want to tell you this. And I know you all are facing this all kind of problems. So please take action and go ahead. Don't listen for other people. Listen your heart. Always listen your heart, yourself. And I know you all are deserve what I am deserve for myself. And first, really, we need to love ourselves. If we love ourselves, so no one is put down you. So bye bye friend, we will meet next video.